this left-hander. There she is! There she is! I can see it, I can see it, I can see it. How random is that? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm on a PetrolHead tour in Spain. I'm staying at my most favourite hotel. It's the Fort right on the Portuguese border. It's an amazing hotel, and today is the day that we do the loop day out to the Serra de Estrella mountain. I've probably ruined the pronunciation of that. And this day last year we thought we spotted a Ferrari F40 on the side of the road just in a field. We clearly don't think it's a Ferrari F40. However, if we drive past it on the way out to the mountain today and it's still there, on the way back we're going to go and turn off the motorway, do a bit of an investigation and see what we can find. So let's go and have some breakfast because it's still quite early doors. I thought I'd get down and do my intro in the car park before everyone else gets up and go and see if we can see it. So I'm riding with Captain Andy this morning. We're going to have a little spot to see if we can see it on the motorway on the way past. Right, apparently, according to Google, it's just on this left-hander. In that car park over there. There she is! There she is! It's there, it's still there. That's it. Yeah. It's still there. Did you see it? No. You don't see it? I missed it. Yeah, no, it's there. So it's definitely there. The grass is so long, I can't really tell what it is. So the grass is so long, it's definitely still there. It can't be an F40, but on the way back, we'll definitely go and check it out and see what it is. They take pictures of us, or they take pictures of that Corsa? I'm not really sure. It's just incredible. Awesome, isn't it? Oh, we've got some paparazzi already. I mean, look at that. That's ridiculous.
Meters from the next waypoint, we're 139k from the end.
Right, so that was a lot of fun driving in the mountains, wasn't it, Captain Andy?
It definitely was. It's Scorchio.
What is it? 36.5 degrees.
Exactly, breathe in a bit. Okay.
Should we go and look for a Ferrari F40?
I think we should.
A Ferrari F40. What will happen if it is a Ferrari F40?
Well, then you and I are millionaires, mate, so it's all good.
Let's go and get it.
So, Google Translate.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm driving along.
Portuguese.
We would like to buy your F40. There we go.
What's the translation?
Gostaríamos de comprar o seu F40.
There you go. It's fluent. Just coming up here somewhere. Swing in there. So I'm trying to think where the building is. Can't see where that building is. Where is it? Right, basically it's in this compound. We've driven all the way around there and it's all locked up. Let's see if we can see it. Let's stop here.
Yeah, and go for a walk down that bit.
Yeah, let's go for a walk down that bit. Let's just randomly ditch the Porsche on the side of the road. It's nice and subtle. Right, ditch the Porsche. It's nice and windy. And basically it's in here. So there's loads and loads of stuff in here. Like a bit of a kind of scrapyardy type thing. Oh, there's even like a Toyota Celica.
They're so going to set the Rottweilers on it.
Yeah, it might do. I think that's a Toyota Celica in the bushes as well. Right, let's have a walk down the side. I can see it, I can see it, I can see it.
Definitely.
How random is that?
Could get a shot from there then.
Yeah, definitely.
Approach it.
Can't see over the fence. You can see it in the viewfinder, I think. There it is. I don't know. Let me hold on to that. I don't want to grab hold of barbed wire. Where is it? It's there. It looks tired. It doesn't. It definitely doesn't.
You're right that it was an F40.
It definitely looked like an F40 for the road.
Oh, that's just brilliant.
It's awesome, isn't it? Let's go down a bit further.
Somehow they
I don't think we're making millions out of this, mate. I hate to break it to you. Ow, ow. Grabbed hold of the barbed wire. Look at that. That's hysterical. That is hysterical.
Hang on, I'm sure it isn't a real F40. It's got the badges on it.
Oh, it's got the badges on it, or it might be. Let's see if we can find the owner off him. What's a good one worth? Like $1 million? So that's got to be worth at least $500,000. Oh my days. Oh mate, the more you look at it, the sorrier it gets. Oh well, I have no idea what that's based on. MR2 or something underneath, who knows. Oh, that's a bit sad, isn't it? This doesn't seem like the best idea I've ever had. I'm literally walking up the hard shoulder of the motorway to see if I can see it from the fence line. Ah, I can see it. Hang on, let's cross over it. There she is. Oh mate, yeah, this is what I saw from the road, but that is not an F40. Right, it's 38 degrees and I'm randomly on the hard shoulder of a Spanish motorway, so let's probably get back to the car. There you go. Not quite what we expected. Andy's gone back to move the car because he realised that we were gone for about 20 minutes and we've left the roof down. And definitely not walking through this farmer's field, just on the edge of some wilderness. Just madness, this place. Oh, I see knackered. Anyway, it's 38 degrees. I'm walking back to the car. I've got more thorns and thistles and stuff down my shoes and I know what to do with. Also suddenly aware of snakes, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Anyway, right, back to the Porsche, get some air conditioning going. I found the guard dog. Hello mate. Here's Andy. Oh, you right? Oh, mission accomplished, mate. Look at the state of me. I ripped my shorts, so I tried to get over. I tried to shortcut it and get over the barbed wire fence. I know. Never mind, I'll be right.
Great, yeah.
How was that, mate? Was that as good as you thought it was going to be?
It's much better. Car not so much, but the experience was much better.
It was worth a laugh anyway. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. Leave a comment on what you think it might be based on underneath. We thought MR2.
Who knows?
Could be anything. And we'll see you on the next one. Okay, hit it, big boy.
Okay.
Oh my days. Absolutely full of thistles and bits of... This tarmac's really hot as well.